Assalamu alaikum class 9th. Today we are going to do the chapter enzymes, which is unit 6, and the topic is factors affecting the rate of enzymes. Enzymes generally work or they are very sensitive to certain environmental conditions. First condition is temperature or the factor. The second factor is substrate concentration. The third factor is pH. In detail, first of all, we will going to get explanation about temperature. Temperature is basically adding heat. Adding heat. Whenever a temperature of enzyme is raised, the working of enzyme is affected. Because the enzyme usually works in a very narrow range of temperature. Like our body works, the enzymes in our body works at the temperature of 37 degrees centigrade. When the temperature increases by 37 degrees centigrade, the working of enzyme starts to reduce or it starts retarding. So the temperature must be very optimum so that enzymes can work properly. So the point till when the enzymes work properly, that point is known as optimum temperature. Here we have a graph showing the rate of working of enzyme when temperature increases. Here we have rate of enzymatic reactions, and here we have temperature. Suppose we have temperature on x-axis. Here we have temperature which is getting increased 30 degrees centigrade, and at the end we have 40 degrees centigrade. When the temperature was rising at the start, the working of enzyme was also increasing step by step. When the temperature was raised above 37 degrees centigrade, the working of enzyme starts to slow down. So this is the graph for the effect of temperature on the working of enzyme. This temperature, increasing temperature, denatures enzyme, or the increased temperature destroy the 3D or globular structure of enzyme. I hope you understood well. Now we go towards the substrate concentration. In substrate concentration, we are going to learn about how the active sites of enzyme and substrate are involved in the working of effective working or activity of enzymes. Here you can see, if we have large number of substrates and also we have large number of active sites, these are the active sites and these are the substrates. When all the substrates get fixed into these active sites, the working of enzyme will speed up. But here you can see that if once all the active sites are occupied and we increase the number of substrate again and again, the working of enzyme or the activity of enzyme retards or it gets blocked. This point is known as saturation, where no more active sites are available for the substrates to get fixed in. Similarly, we have a graph for the substrate concentration. Here all the sites are occupied. Here when the active sites were not occupied, and now here all the sites get occupied, and now the activity of enzymes gets lower down due to the saturation of the active sites. सैचुरेशन का मतलब होता है कि जब हमारे पास एंजाइम के अंदर मज़ीद एक्टिव साइट्स नहीं है कि सबस्ट्रेट को हम